Hello guys, we are back with a brand new video. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm coming a little bit late, but we are doing now a little special video. We are doing to make a tutorial to do this kind of Lego, how do I say, fidget cube. If somebody knows what it is, tell me in the comments please. So the fidget cube, it's pretty handsome. Yeah, it's a fidget, yay. It has got the ball, lever, the spinner wheel, a joystick, and some gears. Yo. The cool thing is the wheel. Yes. Ah, so cool. But now enough of talking, let's do the tutorial. Okay guys, so I want to say that everything is Lego, no fake pieces or metal or nothing. Everything is Lego. So stay tuned and let's begin. Yes. Okay, so we are starting with derp. This. Boop. Okay, so then we are going to take in these two pieces. It's like very simple. It is squashing. That's right. So, really good, man. And then like a kind of a slow piece, something like that. Yeah, putting it right here, in that position, okay? In this position. So, yeah, taking this vent piece. We are putting it right next to each other. Okay, then we are going now to take this kind of piece like a connector and this piece. Look, the male and a female part. Boop. So easy. Repeat. Boop. Okay, we are putting in right one block. Then here we are in the middle. We are going to put another piece. To decorate this main part, we are going to put another vent piece. So to start off, we done the first layer. We are going to put a little bit of pieces here and here. Like this. So feel free to pause the video. Okay, we are going on to the next layer, which we need this piece. It's a little bit thicker and bigger. Then another piece. Yep, another piece right. Yeah. See, there, this gray piece. Here and here. Well, then we are gonna put this piece with a hole in it, okay? But facing this way, like this. Peep this, guys. Oh yeah. Boop boop. Then we are gonna add this piece, which are 3 in general. Is this like a stick? We are putting this cover like this and a gear. Boop. Slides pretty easily. Take back the whole piece and stick it right together. Then put it right back there. See, we have got the 2 functions. So we will need another piece. It's this one. You're gonna put it right over here. But okay, you can switch them over to other colors. Like, feel free. So the next part is the lever. This contains a little bit of strategy. To do the lever, we think that we are gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one a little bit bigger, but with the X in it, not a hole, an X, an X. Then we are gonna do this red stick, it's a bit shorter, and put it right in there, okay? This, we are gonna put it right on the female piece of the joystick. We've got it, right? So next, this like a cover, but with a wing in it. We are gonna take a stick and put it right together. This one is pretty interesting. It's like a wing and a cross wing. See? And we are going to put it right here, like this, in this position. Like the hole is looking there, and this hole is looking right there. Okay, I've got this. And now it's a little bit trickier. We need to put it right in there and then like the lever. See? It looks simple, right? So the next step is we are gonna cover these things like boop. And here and here and another piece here, like this. So we have 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are like rounded pieces, like a stud, something like that. Okay, next one is like this piece. It's like a square, but it has another part. It's the female and the male part, which is like a wheel. Whee! So we'll stick it right back together and then it spins very well. So we are gonna put it right on the on here. See it? See right? Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. Everything is going okay. So this one, we need this plate and put it in here. See, I'm repeating. In here. See it right? Then this is something special. This is a cannonball. Lego cannonball, not fake. Lego, just Lego. We are putting right on here. Yes. See, like this one is cool and everything. I'll add to this piece. It's a bit wonky. So we are gonna make now a cover. We need these 2 pieces, but these have like these straight lines. The back also, and we are choosing this part. Yes, this. We are putting it right here on these little round studs, like this. See, everything going okay. Now we need another one, but a bit darker. which comes on here next to this bit. Next we need this pretty simple piece. We've done it before. Put it right in there. See? Here. So the next step we are gonna do is we're gonna put these two pieces together. But if you wanna do it like a bit more handsome, like I said, you just put this piece off with the lever and the plate, okay? And stick it off a little bit and put a bit of detail. There are many ways to do this. Yes, you're putting right there. Okay, everything fixed together. Let's put the lever like this, like we before done. Oops. It's going like crazy in here. Guys, I'm not a really proper master builder, but with some of my proper creations. It's the first prototype, so it has got more things. Whoops, the ball fell off. Where is it? Where is the ball? Ah, the cannonball. As I said, here. Falls pretty easily, so be careful. I've got this pretty handsome gear. Yo. Oops. Forgot the thing. A lot to these things. I'm a bit crazy. I'm dumb. Yo. This piece is very important. Do not forget it. Okay. Boop. Lever. Boop. Stick it back together. Boop. Okay. Now it's it. I did. Oh, it comes right over. It's magic. Guys, it's magic. It's magic. Wow. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Okay, now we are going to making another layer. Wow. Sticks right there. Then this piece is like a plate, but with a little stud on it. Handsome, so beautiful and epic. Boop. Now the very important piece. Chun 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 chun. Yeah. Beep 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 boop beep beep bop boop 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 boop. Oh, we finally done it, guys. It's ready. Your own Lego fidget cube. Isn't it really handsome, guys? Sorry, the camera is tackling a little bit. I said I'm going to do a little bit crazy. Oh, so lucky. Guys, we finally done it. They're our fidget cube. Yay! So, as I said, it has got a joystick, a spinner wheel, some gears, and a ball. A ball. What just happened? Yeah. And the lever. Woo, boop, 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 boop. Guys, thank you for watching. Guys, I want to say a comment. This is the first prototype, as I mentioned before. I'm going to make more parts, and I'm gonna make more fidget toys out of Lego and more tutorials. So see you guys soon. Bye. See ya. Arrivederci. Bye bye.
It's the one and only Pico Double G. Snoop Dogg.